Hi everyone! Today we are going to combine the world-famous Oreo with Japan's proud DIY candy kit Nerunerunerune to create a super cute Oreo dessert cup. What kind of cute dessert will we end up with? Stay tuned to find out. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's start by pressing the Oreos. I'm using a wooden stick to smash them, but it's kind of tricky. Oh, hitting them from the side might work better. Hopefully the bag won't tear. Is this how I'm supposed to do it? I can't really tell how crushed they are inside, but let's just go with this. Now I'll pour them into a bowl. Oh, it's a little chunky, but nicely crushed. The mix of big and small pieces might actually give it a nice texture. I'm excited already. It's looking great! Next, let's make the Nerunerunerune as usual, starting with the soda ramen flavor. Open powder packet number 1. Then add 1 cup of water to it and mix it up. It smells like soda already. Once it's mixed well, add powder number 2 and stir again. Look at it! It's starting to puff up. Amazing! This is the most exciting part of Nerunerunerune. I think this looks good. Now, sprinkle on the ramen toppings. The combination of soda and ramen is always the best, right? And the colors are so cute too. I'm excited already. Let's move on to the grape-flavored Nerunerunerune. Just like before, start with powder number 1. Add water. Wow! It turned a beautiful purple. It smells sweet, just like grapes. Everyone loves grape flavor, kids and adults alike. Mix it well. Now add powder number 2 and stir again. Look! This one's puffing up too. So fluffy! Time to add the candy toppings. They are colorful and adorable, right? There are even star-shaped ones, so exciting! It's looking great! Now both the Oreo and Nerunerunerune are ready. Let's start layering everything in a glass. We will begin with the Oreo. How much should I add? Not sure, but maybe this much? Next, add the soda ramen Nerunerunerune. Oops, it's a bit stiff, so it's hard to scoop in. It would have been better if it were a little smoother. Well, maybe this is okay? It might be a bit too little though. Oh well. Looks good, right? Let's add more Oreo. How's this? The layers didn't come out exactly how I imagined, but I'm sure it will taste great. Now for the grape Nerunerunerune. I wish this one were softer too. It's a shame the toppings got mixed in and you can't really see them anymore. But wait! I have some leftover toppings from a previous Nerunerunerune kit, so let's use those here. I mean, the top layer has to be colorful, right? How's that? Look at it! It turned out so cute! I'm so happy! It looks great! Let's finish it off by placing a whole Oreo on top. The Oreo dessert cup is done! I wish the Nerunerunerune had a bit more volume, but I think it turned into a pretty nice dessert overall. Time to taste it. いただきます。Wow! Amazing! This is getting me so hyped. Delicious! The crunchiness of the Oreos and the fluffy, slightly tangy Nerunerunerune are a perfect match. One more bite. It's so good! I highly recommend trying this. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun content like this. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!